In this set, you receive 3 6-foot long cords that you're able to use on the Apple phone and on the Android phone. The cord is about 1/8 of an inch thick. It's flexible, easy to move around, but yet it's still stiff. These are the two ends. You have your normal USB. This side goes into my Android phone. And then if you turn it over, this side would slide into the Apple phone. So it's a two-sided cord that works for both types of phones, but only have to have one cord. When I slide the cord into my tablet, I take the silver side up and just slide it in, and it starts to charge.